Hello fellow programmers, today I will show you how I designed and created this epic contraption that automatically turns on a light bulb when I open my door, and it turns off when I close it. I call it the definitely not a fire hazard, and I will show you how you probably shouldn't make this. My first design was where a metal piece would be slapped on the door and another metal piece would be attached to the door frame so that when the door closed, the circuit would be closed. Then I could add a NOT gate, which is like an Uno reverse card for electrical engineers, and slap a light bulb on. What do you mean that's difficult? I'm a programmer. I can do anything. After spending more time than I would like to admit failing to create a NOT gate since I'm an idiot and I burned and shocked my finger. Lesson 1. Do not run 1 ampere of current through thin wire and proceed to touch it. Lesson 2. Do not run more current than a resistor is rated to handle, then proceed to touch the metal part. But wait, how did I accidentally run more current through the resistor than I wanted to, you may ask? Well, instead of using this stupid color coding to calculate the ohms of the resistor, I did something called resistor roulette, where you randomly choose a cool looking resistor color pattern and plug it in. Disclaimer, I did not actually do that. Please don't try this at home. I'm a programmer and can therefore do electrical engineering perfectly, as you can see. Anyways, I'm dumb and had to come up with another idea. How about I attach a metal piece to the door hinge so that when the door opens, it lets electricity through and... So I got to work and had the problem of it being one-time use since the metal part would bend when the door was opened too much, so I added a weight to hold it in place. It worked! I created a light that automatically turns on when a door opens. I told you a programmer can do anything. Subscribe and I'll continue to continuously post every 5 years. I tried different editing styles for my last few videos. Comment which one you like best. I still have the virus.